What's up, people? I did not know I was going to be making another one of these videos, or I didn't know if I was going to or not, but I got some Travis Scott items from the Utopia merch drop. I went with the size small this time just because I want to see how it was. I look at a graph of like t-shirt sizing, and it says that a 6-foot person who's 150 to 160 pounds can wear between a small and like an XL. So I'm gonna see how a small is. Right now I'm actually wearing this Kid Cudi. It's the Camp McDonald's that they did during the summer. So yeah, I'm a crew member now. Not officially or anything, but anyways, I'm gonna break into this Travis Scott. I got also the sleeveless. That is looking really dope. I got that in a medium. So anyways, when you get it out of the packaging, it just comes with a little receipt. Here is the tank top, sleeveless t-shirt, because it is pretty much a t-shirt, how it's cut and everything. Logo or a little label down there. Not a logo, it's a label. Label. But yeah, full logo on the print of this plastic bag, Cactus Jack. Also on this one, the plastic bag, we got that on there. This says Utopia backwards, I think. I think that's a U over here, starting. But you can't really read it. That's alright, it's screwed. But it's the color of charcoal. It looked a lot lighter on the internet. But, you know, I can still make it work with some different fits probably. This is a size small, so I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fit. But just for shits and giggles, I wanted to try it on just to just get a small. Yeah, this looks tiny. I should give this to my wife. She can wear it. She would love this shirt, right? Look at that, the screwed on the back. The stone washing is nice. I like to see that little coloration just that on there. Yeah, they stone washed it or something. Or put it through the washing machine a little bit to get that color. And the print goes all the way through on the other side. It kind of bleeds in on the inside with this white stuff on the back, the screws. And our label on the back of the neck, if anybody wants to see it. Got it right there for ya. What is it made? 100% cotton. There we go. 2023, made in Mexico. Okay, so here is my medium. Where's this? I mean, really, Kid Cudi and Travis Scott, this is a very similar sizing. So, I'm 6'1", 150 pounds. And let's try on this medium here. Oh wait, this isn't a medium, this is the small. Ooh, yeah, see, for my build, these are really tight on my arms. People would tell me probably to size up, not to wear small, because otherwise I'm just looking like some sort of like really skinny workout dude, sort of. Oh, Luffy. I've been watching a lot of One Piece, so that's what I'm doing. So yeah, he's a workout. He's like buff but skinny. Look at that graph. Maybe I can just stretch it out a bit. Maybe I can make it work. I don't know. It is really warm because it was sitting outside. It feels so hot because the sun's always shining here all the time, and yeah, it heats everything up every single day, which is amazing. It doesn't get over 100 degrees, which is perfect for me. Delivering, definitely love living here. You guys want to know what I've been doing before I break into this medium sleeveless? You guys want to see this sleeveless one? You might want to. It's pretty cool. It's got studs on the back, I mean, it's supposed to. I would hope it does. It says Utopia here on the side, so I can rep the new album. Finally, I mean, it took me 10, 12 weeks to get these, but it's supposed to be 6 to 8. That did not happen. How much battery life do I have? I just had to recharge this battery on this camera because I haven't, you know, filmed in forever, so all my batteries are dead because they all just drained. I should charge those all. But anyways, battery's about to die. I have been having fun. I've been doing stuff around. What have I been up to? You know, I've been building Gundams. Look at this Supreme one I built. Oh man, watch my short videos. I got like a rundown. Obviously these guys hanging around. What else have I been doing? Oh, I broke some glass. Oh, my lamp. No. Still good though, right? Looks right. Looks good from far away. Been surfing, so I got my beautiful board here. Oh, it's amazing. This guy, Michael Tootin, he's got like no online presence from maybe a few YouTube videos. Oh, and I got my fins. Got Viper fins for, you know, tearing up the ocean while I body surf. Yeah, so good times to be had. I love body surfing. That's how I started at Sandy's Beach, and now I surf at Populars with the foamy, and then I also use that yellow board, yeah, unwarrantable. So definitely awesome. I go before work like 5:30 to 6:30, so get there before everybody's out there surfing. And I need to break into this medium Utopia shirt like I promised you guys in the video. That's the description. I mean, it's the title. I have to open this and show it to you. Again, here's that small. These small, very small. I'm crouching down to be in the shot. I don't want to change the focus. Oh wait, oh, I forgot to show you this tag. Do you guys want to see that tag on the back? There it is. Okay, now I'll put it on. All right, this is pretty easy to put on. It's pretty nice. They actually just like cut the sleeves off. So literally a sleeveless t-shirt. They had somebody cut it. That's why it was more expensive. And the studs on the back, they will not kill you. They're gonna be just fine. I love the back of this t-shirt. It's like amazing. It's not actually black. There's a dark brown. Pretty similar to the other shirt that I got. I don't know what it is with me and dark browns with this drop, but yeah, those studs is just like a puff print. So no worries there. And yeah, your little logo. All right, well, anyway, stay positive out there. Hang out with your friends. Tell people you love them. Say aloha or good vibes to you, man. I hope your day's going awesome. Like, tell people so that they can spread it to other people. And we can just all kind of lift the mood of everything that's going on in this world because, you know, with the internet, we have all the information all at once. I don't think we're really meant to have all the information all at once. So don't try and like, dwell on anything that you really don't have the power to change. The only thing you really can change is the attitude of the people around you. So again, let's try and lift the spirits. I mean, I get in crazy bad moods where I'm just like rude to people and mean and aggressive, and I just have to forgive myself and try and be better next time. And maybe I won't, maybe I will, but you know, we're leaning on the good side, right? We're leaning on the good vibes, right? All right, I love you all, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work, but it's that one trying to get a pill. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, boy, trying to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it's working.